Have you ever wondered why you keep repeating the same patterns even when you know better? Why do some people attract wealth and success effortlessly, while others feel like they're swimming against a current of invisible resistance? The truth is, your subconscious mind is running the show. 95% of your daily decisions come from it, not logic, not conscious thought, but programming. Let that sink in. If your subconscious is filled with scarcity, fear, or self-doubt, no budget, course, or motivational quote will fix that. But here's the good news. You can reprogram it. Yes, like updating old software that's been quietly sabotaging your life. In the next 5 minutes, I'll guide you through a powerful meditation that will not only calm your mind, but also change your life. But hey, if you're thinking, meditation? Isn't that just sitting and doing nothing? Think again. This is mental warfare, and your old programming won't go down without a fight. Let's begin. Close your eyes, inhale deeply, hold and exhale. Let your shoulders drop. Let the world fade. You are now entering the control room of your subconscious mind. Imagine a screen in front of you, and on it, you see the old messages playing. I'm not good with money. I don't deserve success. People like me never make it. Hear them, acknowledge them, and now delete them. Visualize pressing a glowing red button that erases every limiting belief. Because every second you let these thoughts run wild, you're bleeding potential. You're handing the wheel of your life to a scared, outdated version of yourself. Now let's replace them. Repeat after me in your mind or out loud. I attract wealth effortlessly. I am worthy of abundance. Every decision I make builds my future. These are not just words, they are seeds. And right now, your mind is the most fertile it's ever been. Now imagine your future self. Not 10 years from now, just 1 year ahead. Look at them. Where are they? What have they built? What does wealthy, confident, powerful you look like? See them smile. That smile is for you because you're doing the inner work now. While others scroll aimlessly, you're upgrading the system. And here's the twist most people never realize. Success doesn't start with money. It starts with mindset. Your bank account is just the receipt of your belief system. Open your eyes slowly. Bring that powerful energy back with you. And if you're still thinking, this was just 5 minutes, what difference can it make? Remember, so is a matchstick until it burns down a forest of limitation. You've just taken the first step in rewiring your destiny. Now imagine what happens when you do this daily. Subscribe to Faceless Sensei, where ancient wisdom meets modern mastery. Tap the bell and step deeper into the world of mind hacks, subconscious rewiring, and the path to true wealth. You're not just meditating, you're rebuilding your reality, and it all begins within. Thanks for watching.